I'm showing you guys the Toce exhaust. Pretty easy to install. Has some baffles, you could remove them. I left them in. It's already pretty loud. It's already warmed up.